As one of Earth's most mysterious and awe-inspiring structures, the Great Pyramid of Giza has fascinated people for centuries. But, despite countless explorations and excavations, this ancient wonder of the world still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. Among them is a hidden corridor that few people have ever heard of. A passage shrouded in mystery and intrigue that may hold clues to the pyramid's true purpose and the secrets of the people who built it. Join us here at Ancient History as we explore this enigmatic passage and unlock the secrets of the Great Pyramid's hidden corridor. A small camera housed within a 6mm thick tube has unveiled a descending tunnel that has been sealed off for thousands of years in the largest pyramid of Giza. The existence of the corridor, which measures 9 meters in length and more than 2 meters in width, has been confirmed by scientists from a project called ScanPyramids. The team is committed to using completely safe scientific methods and technology to uncover more secrets of the ancient civilization. The Great Pyramid, constructed about 4,500 years ago during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, served as a monumental tomb. According to the scientists, the passages may have been designed to distribute the pyramid's weight around its entrance, and it could potentially conceal an undiscovered chamber. Egyptologists hope this could be an undisturbed lost tomb, offering new insights into the early structure of one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Despite ongoing debate regarding how the Great Pyramid was built, the newly discovered tunnel could provide valuable information. Egyptian antiquities officials have announced the discovery of a hidden internal corridor above the main entrance of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This confirmation was made after video footage captured by an endoscope revealed the inside of the corridor, which measures 9 meters or 30 feet in length and 2.1 meters or 7 feet in width. Experts speculate that the corridor may have been designed to redistribute the pyramid's weight around the entrance or to lead to an as-yet undiscovered chamber. The discovery is particularly significant as it sheds new light on the Great Pyramid's construction and the techniques of the ancient Egyptians employed to build it. The corridor was first detected in 2016 using a non-invasive imaging technique called muography. What exactly is muography? It's a method that resembles X-ray imaging, but instead of X-rays, it employs high-energy muons, typically over a few tens of GeV, and takes advantage of their relativistic time dilation phenomenon. The identification of a void was first accomplished by employing a form of imaging known as cosmic ray muon radiography. This technique utilizes the penetrating ability of muons, which are subatomic particles from space, to examine vast structures. To create a 3D image, a muon detector monitors the quantity of muons passing through the object from various angles. Later, this image is juxtaposed with a muon image of the open sky to reveal the number of obstructed muons. Ultimately, the resulting image represents a cosmic muon shadow of the object. This method uses muon particles, which are similar to cosmic rays, to create images of the pyramid's interior. Scientists could identify the corridor by analyzing the data from the muons passing through the pyramid. If you're captivated by the mystery of the Great Pyramid of Giza and want to learn more about its hidden secrets, then the Ancient History channel is the perfect resource. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock the secrets of the Great Pyramid's hidden corridor. Subscribe to the Ancient History channel today and join us on a quest to uncover the mysteries of the past. One of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The discovery of the hidden corridor is expected to fuel further research and exploration of the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the world's most enigmatic and enduring architectural marvels. The pyramid, the largest of the 3 pyramids in Giza and one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, fascinates scholars and the public. Scientists from the ScanPyramids project have utilized a non-invasive technique to identify density changes in the Great Pyramid of Giza. By analyzing how the pyramid was penetrated by muons, byproducts of cosmic rays that are only partially absorbed by the stone, the team was able to detect a space behind the northern face of the pyramid, approximately 7 meters above the main entrance, in an area where a stone chevron structure is located. Following the muon detection, the scientists conducted further radar and ultrasound tests. They then used a 6mm wide, 0.24-inch endoscope to investigate the area further by feeding it through a tiny joint between the stones that make up the chevrons. This innovative approach has provided researchers with new insights into constructing the Great Pyramid, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The discovery of the void behind the northern face of the pyramid has raised many questions, with some experts suggesting that it may have been a deliberate design feature, while others speculate that it may have been an unfinished or collapsed chamber. Regardless of its purpose, the discovery is an exciting development that could lead to more discoveries about this iconic structure and its enigmatic builders. During a news conference near the pyramid on Thursday, officials unveiled footage captured by a camera. The video revealed an empty corridor of roughly hewn stone blocks with a vaulted stone ceiling. Mustafa Wiziri, the head of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, commented on the footage that the team would continue scanning to determine what may be beneath or at the end of the corridor. The Great Pyramid, constructed on the Giza Plateau during the 4th dynasty by the pharaoh Khufu, stands at 146 meters tall. Despite being one of the oldest and largest structures on Earth, there remains a lack of consensus on how it was constructed. The footage captured by the camera serves as a starting point for the further investigation and could potentially lead to groundbreaking discoveries. The Great Pyramid remains a mystery, with no consensus on how it was built. This new footage could potentially serve as a starting point for future discoveries. Let's talk about some theories. Despite the recent discovery of the corridor and the larger void it leads to within the Great Pyramid of Giza, their true purpose remains a mystery. One theory, as discussed during the press conference revealing the corridor's interior, suggests that it's designed to relieve the pressure within the pyramid. Another possibility is that the void was created due to the construction process, with an eternal ramp used to position roof blocks and then left unfilled or filled with rubble. Zahi Hawass, an Egyptian archaeologist, has called the newly discovered corridor a major discovery that will be of interest to people all around the world. This discovery could also provide crucial information about the burial chamber of King Khufu that may exist within the pyramid. One particularly intriguing theory is that the corridor may lead to a secret burial chamber of King Khufu, whose remains have never been found. When the pyramids were first explored in the 19th century, a sarcophagus believed to contain Khufu was found, but it was empty. It has long been assumed that the remains were stolen, but 2 French Egyptologists have proposed that another undiscovered burial chamber may contain Khufu's remains. Their theories suggest that the pyramids were built more haphazardly than previously thought, with plans changed as the builders realized that certain chambers could not bear the weight of a sarcophagus. According to their theory, Khufu was buried in the second of the 3 funeral chambers he had built for himself. While it may be premature to get one's hopes up about discovering Khufu's remains, Hawass believed that there might have been something important below the corridor and that its discovery could lead to groundbreaking revelations. He added that his statements' truth would be revealed within a few months. This is not the first time a significant discovery has been made within the Great Pyramid of Giza. In 2017, muography detected a larger void within the pyramid. This void, estimated to be 30 meters long and several meters high, is directly above the Grand Gallery. Hawass's statement indicates that the discovery of the new corridor could have been even more significant than the previous one. It can potentially reveal information that has eluded archaeologists and historians for centuries. The discovery of the hidden corridor in the Great Pyramid of Giza using cosmic ray muon radiography is a remarkable feat of modern scientific exploration. This revelation has opened up a new chapter in our understanding of the pyramid's construction and purpose, providing fresh insights into one of the world's most enigmatic ancient wonders. It's a testament to the remarkable potential of cutting-edge technology and collaborative scientific endeavors in unlocking the mysteries of our past. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the Great Pyramid and other ancient structures, we can only imagine what further secrets await us in the years to come. Be it hidden information or a hidden corridor, we've got it all here. Check out our previous videos for becoming a pro mystery solver. And whilst we're on that subject, how about you continue paving your way to the past and the mysterious scientific discoveries by subscribing to our channel, Ancient History. Like, share, and make sure to drop your thoughts down in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining.